Welcome to my tomato bushes. They're actually tomato plants. I bought them as a start. They are 4.5 feet tall. Doing pretty good. I've got fruit on it. Getting pollination's been a challenge this year. Right here you can see some of them die off and then there's no fruit behind it. I just thinned it because it was so thick and congested. The air circulation is really important. You'll end up with fungus and diseases and several issues. Many pests will come in if it's really clogged up, so to speak. So I do have fruit. There's one. There's one down there. This guy's limp. I don't think this one's getting enough moisture. So we're expecting rain today. Hopefully it'll happen. You can see right here, there's fruit that's coming on. It looks like these have been pollinated. So I wanted to show you what I did. I just took a pair of scissors that are clean and I went in, and you can see where I've cut right here, 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 back in there, and in that center piece between the 4 plants, I thinned it right out. Like, here's a pile of some of what I took off. Just use some string to bring it up, get the stems off the ground. You're going to invite predators and disease if the plant's laying on the ground. And hopefully now I will get more fruit, and I will add some tomato food, so to speak, a specific formulated fertilizer for your vegetable garden. It's obviously going to need it. I can see a little bit of spots here where they're starting to yellow in the center of the leaf, like right here. So that's telling me I'm probably watering too much or not hitting the right spots. I have been on the lazy side, just doing that in the garden. Hopefully broadcasting it all, got busy with other things. And so now I think I'm gonna have to do is come in and spot water, hit each plant individually instead of just letting the sprinkler do the job. And now, you know.